the 12 best websites that you can make money online. So the first website that you can easily make money online is the freelance website Fiverr. If you have any kind of skills, it's really amazing because you can pretty much offer all kinds of sorts of skills. Upwork is another site. It's another marketplace, but you also, of course, can post everything that you're good at. You just need to know how to write a good resume of what you're all about. The next one is TaskRabbit. The difference is that this one is an in-person site, like a location site. The next one is amazing if you are an artist or a creator of any kind. You can really make amazing money and create an amazing brand out of Etsy. So essentially, ThreadUp, this is like a really, really cool site. It's just like an online consignment store, a thrift store. So Gesell is another interest hack or gig. So essentially, you can just sell devices that you don't need anymore, and then they will, of course, refurbish it, and then they sell it off again, and you're getting a certain kind of money, of course, for selling them